I finished doing one thing. I might need that. Can't stand plastic cups, but they got to be used in this house. No. Ow, I'm sore. Elbow always hurts when I wake up in the morning because I think I sleep with it bent. And I did yoga yesterday, so that probably made it a little sore. I love yoga. What did I miss? Thank you for joining, Louisville. Let's see what I missed. Oh, okay. Calm down. Calm down. Hey, hey. Good morning. It's spectacular. Y'all follow my Instagram. If you're not, follow me over there. I'm gonna put up a poll and it'll have my Instagram in it. Yeah. Y'all ever just throw your Tupperware in there and just shut it real quick? That's me. Thank you for the gifts, y'all. Hiccup. Great. Crazies. One more. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Well, welcome, my new friends. If you're not new, I gotta get these dishes put away before I get started on the lemon loaves, pound cake. Who likes pound cake? Raise your hand if you like pound cake. I want to say pancake. You do? What's your favorite pound cake, though? I hate when dishes clank together. Yuck. I'm almost done with this part. My cheese grater, the best purchase I've made in a while was this thing. Why is it this closing? Now this has to dry again. Thank you. Alrighty. I reckon we're almost done putting the dishes away. Close it all the way. Almost done, almost done. I have 2 kids. I have a teenager and a preteen. Yeah, I know. Isn't that crazy? Everybody was like, Crystal started so young having kids. Well, look at me now. I'm still young, could do all types of things. Like, my oldest is literally looking into college in the Air Force now. Isn't that crazy? I'm like, ugh. That's wild. Do I have any military here in the comments? If so, raise your hand. I got questions. I got questions. Any military? And I'm not talking like old veterans. I love you very much and thank you. But I'm talking about like a little bit newer military. Air Force vet. Okay. So